In question number 5, three girls, Reshma, Shalma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Shalma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? You have to find the distance between Reshma R and Mandeep. As per the given figure, you can see here O is the center of the circle. This is Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. Fine. We have to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Now see here OR is equal to OM is equal to OS. Why they are equal to each other? Because they are the radii of the circle. So we can say that RS and RS and SM 6 meter which is given. In the quadrilateral ORSM, this quadrilateral is a kite, a type of quadrilateral in which these two sides are equal to each other and these two sides are equal to each other. So, according to the given statement, we can say that this quadrilateral is a kite. Now, you can see, therefore, a diagonal OS bisects RM at a right angle. It is making here right angle. It means we can say that RKO is 90 degree. Hence, we can say that angle RKO is equal to 90 degree. Now you can see OK is perpendicular to RM. OK is perpendicular to RM. Hence, K is the midpoint of RM. Hence, K is the midpoint of RM. Hence, K is the midpoint of RM. So, it is midpoint. It means it bisects line into two equal parts. It bisects line into two equal parts. Hence, we can say that RM is equal to 2RK. Now, RL is equal to half of RS. RL is equal to half of RS. RL is equal to half of RS. Hence, is equal to half into 6 because RS is equal to 6 is given. Hence, this is equal to 6 meter. Hence, RL is equal to 6 meter. RL is equal to 6 meter. Now, in triangle, you can see that in triangle ROL, angle L is 90 degree. Angle L is 90 degree. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. We can apply both. You go and tell them. Now we are here. The angle in triangle, you had seen that in triangle ROL, L is equal to 90 degree. Hence we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Hence, according to Pythagoras theorem, RO is the hypotenuse. Hence, we can say that RO square is equal to OL square is plus RL square. Hence, that is only written I am over here. RO square is equal to OL square plus RL square. Now, it is given that RO is equal to 5, OL and RL is equal to 3 square. Hence, OL is equal to 5 5 are 25, 3 3 are 9. So, 25 minus 9 is give you 16 and 16 is the square root of 4. So, OL is 4. So, OL is equal to 4. Now, for the area of triangle ROS. Now, you can see the area of triangle ROS. This triangle base into altitude. Half base into altitude. That only I have written. The triangle ROS is equal to half base into altitude. Now, by equation number 1, this is RS is the base, OL is the altitude. Now, from with the help of equation number 1. We can say that RS is equal to OS and OL is equal to RK. Hence, by putting the value of there, half into OS is equal to RK. Half into OS is equal to RK. Equation number 1. Hence, by using that, we can say that the area of two triangles are equal to each other. Hence, cancelling half, the remaining term RS into OL is equal to OS into RK. Now RS is given 6, OL is given 4, OS is 5 and RK. Hence RK being subject of formula 6 4s are 24 divided by 5 will give you 4.8 meter. Now by equation number 2, Rm is equal to 2 RK. Using same over here, Rm is equal to 2 RK is equal to 2 into 4.8. 2 into 4.8 will give you 9.6 meter. 9.6 meter. Hence we have to find the distance between Rm. So distance between Rm is 9.6.